National Rural Support Program organized an event in Islamabad to review its 2-year digital literacy and other projects performance. Experts in the event said the digital literacy canvas needs to be expanded across the country. To know more about the event, let's see the report by our correspondent Rahul Basharat.
Rural Sport Program organized the closing workshop for the Internet Dost and Internet Zabardast initiative in Islamabad. This 2-year digital literacy and internet safety program was implemented by Nrsp with support from google.org. The initiative aimed to bridge the digital divide in Pakistan, especially in undeserved rural areas, by equipping women, children, teachers and parents with essential digital skills. Program organizers said that more than 132,000 individuals benefited from the training sessions.
Been able to train more than 135,000 people in a very short span of time, and the enthusiasm and the way people have embraced this program is unbelievable.
Experts highlighted that the project played a vital role in empowering marginalized communities by promoting inclusive digital literacy.
We believe that financial inclusion and digital literacy can really help democratize the economy and bring the prosperity to every nook and corner of the country.
Program beneficiaries stressed that such initiatives are crucial for improving socio-economic fabric of the country.
The internet can improve our lives and relative circumstances. I would be very happy to achieve this opportunity.
Participants appreciated the program, which was successfully implemented in 52 districts across all administrative regions of Pakistan. Such productive digital literacy program proved that the constructive use of technology can bring positive changes in the lives of deserving people of the country. Rahul Bisharat, PTV World, Islamabad.